Here's a C3 at Unique Specialty Classics. It's a 1981 Chevrolet Corvette. Coupe, T-top car, of course. Numbers matching. 350 L81 underneath the hood that's paired up with a numbers matching 4-speed manual transmission. Clean Carfax, no accident indicated. Believed to be original miles, no recordings in the Carfax over the 42,711 that are currently on there. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front fascia. Also want to let you know that this car is going to come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. It's included in the purchase. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC, power windows, power locks. We're going to check out underneath that hood in just a bit. First of all, if you want to check out the underside, be able to see the engine bay, the interior, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct polished wheels. 75 would be the paint coat of this, so originally a red car. Some pinstriping. See up and down the passenger side. We do have some fine rock chips right along there. It's been driven. You will see that on these. Black leather, bucket seats, of course center console with the 4-speed. AM/FM cassette, your power window switches. We get around to the driver's side, show you the interior a little closer. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Now, I'll tell you a little bit about what's going to come with this. T-top bags, the nice ones, some padding, heavy-duty Velcro closures on the one end, car cover, and then as you can see, that center armrest, if you want to install that. In the rear hatch back here, you can see right through there, there is the straps that will hold the T-tops down in the rear of it. There's also a battery disconnect where the battery is behind the driver's seat, letting you know those things. Once again, take your time looking through the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Another thing to remember is we have an open door policy. You can't make it to look at this one yourself. Feel free. Have an inspector come check it out. Have them report back to you. Again, if you can't make it yourself. So take a look down the driver's side. See, the paint has a nice shine to it. Again, is it perfect? No. There's a few imperfections here and there. Kind of showed you a few of the rock chips. It's got a few of those. But overall, this car you can get in, turn the key, go. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, shows, or hey, just out to have a little fun. Some little stuff like this right here. Maybe you see a couple of small touch-ups. One thing the tech noted too is the compressor will kick on and off, and it works and everything, but did not get AC to blow cold. So it may need to be recharged. And there's your power lock switches, or switch I should say, the driver's door. Carpeting looks good. You can see in the still pictures underneath the floor mats, but since I'm going to be getting in and out of it, floor mats are in. Power seat on the driver's side. Yes, that is in working order. So good looking interior, not much wear. Let's take a look back here. You usually see the wear at. Not really a ton of wear. Just kind of your natural wrinkling of the leather hide. So of course, let's check this out. Tilt column, as well as telescopic, right here. So tilt, telescoping wheel. Let's go ahead, check out the miles. There's that 42,711. Again, believed to be original. There's no higher recordings on the Carfax. No accidents indicated. Top of the dash looking good. Blower fan and everything works. Let's put that back down. Radio. Also in working order. Take a look at the gauges. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect the temp gauge to be up. Like so, all the gauges are working. We do have tach working over here also. Let's make sure we're in neutral. Slip around so you can hear this car. Nothing crazy over the top of the exhaust. Again, 350 numbers matching underneath the hood. L81, as well as that numbers matching transmission 4-speed. Headlights, Also working order. Let me pause this a second, get the hood open, check out the engine bay, we'll wrap up this video. There it is. We can look at the engine bay. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC compressor. Looks good, sounds good underneath here. Again, nice and clean, considering this is an 81. Oh, that kind of miles on it. Guess that's what you'd expect. So you're looking for a C3, here you go, 1981 Chevrolet Corvette. It's the glass T-tops, by the way. Look in the still pictures, you'll be able to see those. And remember, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. UniqueClassicCars.com, 507-386-1726. We do consider trades, financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1981 Chevrolet Corvette. Red on the outside and black on the inside. This is a 4-speed on the center console. Our blinker indicators are working. Good acceleration, as you would expect. Radio works good. Blower motor works. Letting go of the wheel, it stays nice and straight. Do have a good alignment. Very responsive steering. This has the glass T-tops, which are excellent. You can remove them or just run with them and have a clear top. Our tachometer is working, our speedometer is working. Our gauges appear to be working. The temperature is just over 100. Oil pressure at 40. Battery's charging about 14, and the fuel gauge is showing half. There is an oil temperature gauge. That's not warmed up yet. It's showing about 100. Comfortable seating, very stock Corvette. Travel back to 1981 with this Chevrolet Corvette. Check it out at UniqueClassicCars.com.